Hey folks, welcome to another Workout Wednesday challenge. This time it's all about dynamic boxes that appear or disappear based on selections. We're looking at these data. So there are some time series. It's the percentage of foreign tourists arrival in European countries, summarized by year. And it represents the percentage of foreign versus domestic tourists. So if we select here one country and then the comparison country, you get here two time series and you get the difference over time. And also you get here a small summary, text summary. So, but if you select too few, like just one country, or if you select more than two countries, you get here just the hint, please select exactly two countries to show also the differences. So how did we do this? Let's see. So let's build these visuals. First of all, we are looking at the data. It's pretty straightforward. Simple data table with country, year, and then absolute numbers of domestic and foreign country arrivals. That's why we need to create the measure with the division of foreign versus all arrivals first. And we are going to create this. So taking the year and then the foreign percentage and as category the countries. This is here. Let's have the slicer. Yes, and the other slicer was about the year. So we need to find the difference of two selections. That's what I did here in this measure. So first of all, we're defining a measure about the country count. It's just counting here all the selections, and then we have the first country, country A, and the second country, country B, and then for each of the countries we are having the measure calculated here. And if the selected country count is exactly 2, then we're going to have the difference between the two countries. Let's look for a second here. It's just counting the rows of the selected countries. So let's create the different differences here. So it's not pretty yet, but if we have two countries selected, it shows something. If there are few or more countries selected, it doesn't show anything. So that's the first part. So now we're going to have the text fields that appear when when we did not select exactly two countries. I've done two measures. First of all, the summary measure, it's just all the things that we already saw, the different countries, country A and country B, and if the country code count is not exactly 2, then there is select 2 countries, and the other one, there is some formatting here. So that's not any problem. So I do create a card here and have this value. It doesn't show it all here, but I need to just do it a little bit smaller and allow text wrap. And then without the label, we have here based on the last year. I just seem that I need to sort by year. So based on the last year, Austria relies more on foreign tourists than France. That's already there. And we need to have a second card with the warning message here. And we need to show blank as really blank. And then we kind of can check. So if we select just one, the two cards show their expected text. And if we have 2, 3, so we can just check that everything works. So then we need to set this in front of the other one and make it transparent. How do we do this? We are going to use dynamic formatting for cards and then background, and the fill color is based on the measure called warning color, and then we have the desired behavior. One selected country, we see the warning message. 2 selected countries, or 3, then it's gone away. So let's have a look at the color. It's pretty straightforward. So the last 2 parts of the hex code here can be transparent, then 00, or not transparent, and we are making it based on the number of selected countries. So that's basically it. I will do some additional formatting, and then we have the slider, the more nicely looking lollipop chart here. This is done via error bars, and you can also include a reset button. When you have filters, it's sometimes convenient to just have it, and then we're done. Many thanks for listening.